Have you ever wondered...
Where's the closest snow to Los Angeles?
Exactly.
Find out as we go snow tubing Los Angeles in Mountain High, California. We're fixing to show you.
Yay!
Hey y'all, we're Cole,
Dawn,
Connor, Haley, Kenzie, and Ansley.
and we are younger every day.
On this channel, we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on fun adventures just like this one.
In case you've missed any of our story,
You can click right up here to get caught up.
so our plan today had been to go hang out at Mountain High Resort and do some tubing. Didn't quite work out that way.
Yeah, I would call this a Mountain High Resort tubing fail. So let's check it out. What was the speed limit, Ansley? 45. I thought it was 45.
45, because it was 40 and 5.
Y'all are smart. How old are you girls?
4 and 5.
Wait a minute. Did you guys just see your own ages on that speed limit sign and it was really something different? Y'all are just putting your ages together. I'm really in with the 4 and 5-year-old scene, so my comedy tour will be coming to a kindergarten near you.
Look how pretty that
Look at that, guys.
Look at this.
Look
Here,
up
Connor.
there.
Don't drop the camera out the window.
All the trees and the snow.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's pretty.
Hey, here we go. You ready for another one?
That's so good. It should be on roller coaster.
Right now we're headed from Acton to Wrightwood, California. That's where Mountain High is. And the kids are loving it. They also think that because I told them there are Joshua trees, that they're all named Joshua.
Look at all that snow in that car. Did y'all see that car? There's like 6 or 8 inches of snow on top of it. From the desert to the snow. Oh wow, we literally have 1.7 miles to go. Probably if you don't want to deal with this, you have to come up early in the morning. Yeah, we'll have plenty of time to play, I think. These kids are over here playing in the snow. Look at the snow on this car. Man, if this is the traffic, we may have to come up here and like spend the night or something sometime. We're getting to go now. Yeah, we're almost there. For real, for real. Look at these people, they're selling food, look at this. A lot of people looks like probably coming out here to just play in the snow and not pay. Oh, is it closed?
It's closed?
Not closed, the parking lot's full.
Is that where we're playing?
Yeah, the tube runs right over there. I don't want to walk up that hill with, did you see those people bust it coming down it? I don't want to do that with the kids. Yeah. There you go, say hi. What do you think?
Hi.
Ready to go play in the
snow? Yeah.
Okay, me too. All right, so we just got parked at Mountain High Resort. Now we got to go try to find where to get on the shuttle to get back down to the snow play area and the tubing area because that was already closed. Here we are, check it out. Tell you what, this wind is icy. My face and ears are pretty cold. These guys are having fun over here in the snow. All right, we found the shuttle. How cold is it?
Okay.
Not too bad. Ansley, you'll tell the truth. How cold is it, baby?
She does not like it. Thank you very much.
We just found out that the drive back to the East Snow Park where the snow play area and tubing is a 45-minute drive and maybe longer. So we're taking the 1-mile walk, which is probably not bad, except for all the slush we're walking in. And nobody but Connor and Haley have any kind of decent boots on. Your fingers feel like what?
Ice.
It's a nice walk here, carrying a child. And people are thumbs up at us. He wanted to know our channel. Hey, what's up? Hey! How does Kenzie feel about it?
Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry for the bumpy footage, guys. I didn't expect to be walking a mile doing this. Okay, I gotta stop. Everything's about to fall.
45.
There we go. All right, we're back at it. Had to take a little break. That would be terrible if that were the shuttle that we could have been on. So, first tip for going to Mountain High Resort. Better come early and get a spot at the resort you want to be at. because even though there are many spaces in the Mountain High East, they closed the lot down, even though it was like 3:30 when we got here. It was already closed. So come early, get a parking spot, and maybe don't trust the bus driver when they say it'll be a 45-minute drive down, because I know we haven't been walking for 45 minutes and I'm pretty sure the shuttle just passed us. It's beautiful out here though. Up at the resort. Yeah.
Tickets?
No.
It's closed.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It's full?
Yeah.
Oh bummer.
You could just take it the bus.
Well, we tried. They said it was a 45-minute drive down. So they told us to walk. All right, so parking lot guy was right. We drove up here and walked a mile in the snow for nothing. So I guess I'll check out the snow in the snow play area, but I don't think we're gonna do that. So it's a bummer. No tubing. What? You're hungry now? You decided you're hungry? How's that food, Kenzie? You told me a minute ago you said these wraps something.
These wraps are delicious.
Yeah, we're eating some good food. Dawn made us some, Kenzie's getting after her yogurt, along with our, what are they like? It's like butter leaf lettuce, turkey, and cream cheese wraps. Tasty.
Delicious.
Nice treat. What's up, Connor?
Hi.
Thanks for letting me borrow your camera. What you think about this food? Are your feet warming up? Mommy, how you doing? Are your feet warming up? Are you a little cold
I
today?
don't think your feet were ever warm.
You don't hate the cold though, right?
It's like putting toothpicks under my fingernails.
But what?
I love my family,
So here we are.
so I agreed to come.
How was that walk?
It was lousy. To say the least.
What'd you think about the walk, Haley Dawn? Oh, give me a break. Don't even give me one thumb up. Give me both thumbs down and give me a frowny face. Yeah, until we got here, until it was so cold. I think Connor and I were the only ones who were happy to get here. Everybody else was so upset and sad. Tubing was sold out. Snow play area, pass. That's why all the people park on the side of the road coming up here on Highway 2 and just go play in the snow there. Much better idea because it's free. So we had a bit of a fail and didn't get to really do anything. Now we're walking back after dark and it looks like we're gonna have some fun traffic to compete with on the way out of here. But anyway, we learned some things. We learned that we really weren't equipped clothing-wise to do this. Anyway, so not the most fun time today, but a good experience nonetheless, and hopefully it'll help you plan your trip to Mountain High Resort. The girl told me that it's a good buy to get the 1, 2, 3 free, which I think is like $199 or $299 a person. That gets you 3 lessons and a free season pass, which is a good deal when the season pass is more expensive. I'm not sure how much it is, but I'll put the price of this season pass and the 1, 2, 3 free in the comments below. We'll also put tubing prices and snow play. In terms of the tubing, it looked like that would be fun, but even the tubing price-wise might not be worth it for people, so I'm kind of glad we didn't spend money because I think we'd be even more miserable than everybody already was had we done that because of being cold and wet. Well, that was our Mountain High Resort tubing fail, and as you can see, it wasn't Mountain High Resort's fault, but it was all our own for what time we got here and what kind of gear we were wearing or not wearing at the time. Next time we'll be more prepared.
Now we want to know, have you ever been to Mountain High Resort? If so, could you give us some tips and tricks for doing it the right way? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it even though we didn't really have a whole lot of fun here today. Next time will be a lot more fun and we'll share that with you.
We hope that you check out some of our other videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely.